Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the powerful synergy between Tableau and Python for data analysis. First things first, open Tableau desktop and head over to the Connect panel. This is where it all begins. Select Moria Euro, which will expand your connection options. Among them, you'll find scripting. This is the link that brings us to the world of Python. Choose this to continue where the magic happens. Now for the setup, configure your script connection. Here, you'll choose your scripting service. Commonly using Python via TabP, ensure your Python server with TabP is running. Tableau will communicate with the Python environment via this bridge. Alright, now we've established the connection. Let's create a calculated field to get started utilizing Python. In the calculated field editor, you'll write your Python script, including placeholders for your data. Tableau will pass the data to Python, run your script's calculations, and return the results, ready to use in your visualizations. Once you write the Python code and utilize this as a calculated field, you can drag this field into your visualization. Python integrations allow you to perform complex calculations with more nuanced analysis capabilities and formatting possibilities. So, there you have it. Learn how to use Python within Tableau for those extra helpful data insights. If you found this interesting, consider subscribing for more tutorials.